What up, Internet Land? Nate Forrest here with the Forest Fire Marketing Group and NateForrest.net. I want to share with you, this is going to be really quick, something that I haven't seen a lot of people talk about, but I think is pretty unique, and that is what you think you want, you actually don't want. What you think you want, you really don't want. You think you want it, but you don't. And what you have right now and what you can become is exactly what you should want. So, what do I mean by that? What do you think you want that you really don't want? Well, most people out there are looking for internet systems. They're looking for an MLM company that's the home run, slam dunk of all home runs, where they can just share a few links and people are just going to start signing up left and right. And people have this mentality that something outside of themselves is gonna, if they find it, because they're smarter than other people, they were smart enough to find this system or this thing outside of themselves that's gonna bring them success. And they do that, and meanwhile, so they go post 2 or 3 links on Facebook, and they do their thing, and maybe they do a video like this and they throw it up on Facebook. But are they reading books? I got here a stack of books, and behind me, I don't know if you can really see it, a bookshelf with hundreds of books in it. And just some of the books I'm reading right now: Infinite Possibilities, The Art of Living Your Dreams. Of course, a lot of you have read Think and Grow Rich. If you haven't, you need to shut the video off right now and go get Think and Grow Rich. We've got The Answer by John Assaraf, phenomenal book. The Automatic Millionaire, David Bach. The Tipping Point, Malcolm Gladwell, phenomenal book. The Slight Edge, Jeff Olson. The Business of the 21st Century, Robert Kiyosaki. Your First Year in Network Marketing, Mark Yarnell. Jack Canfield, The Success Principles. And then on. We got John Maxwell, The 21 Irrefutable Laws of Leadership. And then a phenomenal book that a lot of you might not have heard of, Life Without Limits, Nick Vujicic. I don't know if I said that right. Phenomenal book. Guy was born without any limbs and turned it into great victories. So I encourage you to read that book. But why do I have a stack of books in here? And it's like, Nathan, I know I'm supposed to read some books, so what's your point? The point is, like I said earlier, whatever it is you think you want, if you got that, if there was a system out there that all you had to do was just post on the internet and you didn't have to become more, you didn't have to read, you didn't have to become a leader, if those systems existed, they wouldn't need you. So that's why you don't want what you think you want. Because if these systems automatically funneled leads and prospects through and automatically created income for you, well, then they wouldn't need you. They would just put up these systems and sign up customers left and right. But the way the universe is designed is it's looking for uniqueness. It provides the platform for you to become more. As Jim Rohn said, don't wish it were easier, wish you were better. So with that said, what you think you want, whether it's an internet system or an MLM company or whatever out there that's going to just create overnight success for you, or you think you can just post links on network marketing companies and that's going to recruit people. If you're doing that without becoming more, without reading, consistent reading each week, read 1 book a month minimum. If you're not reading 1 book a month, I suggest you focus on a job for the rest of your life. If you're not reading a book a month. So, what you think you want, you don't really want. What you want is exactly what you have and what you can become. Become more. I encourage you to start reading some of these books. Go back, rewind the tape, pause it, write down some of these books. If you want to message me, email me, I'll give you a list of some of the other books that have helped transform my business and my life. This is Nate Forrest with the Forest Fire Marketing Group. Keep coming back to NateForrest.net for more videos. Hope you enjoyed this, guys. You don't want what you think you want. Rock on.